to see problem number 136, that is the single array number. So in this problem there is a array of integer that is given to us nums, and the property of this integer array that is given to us is that every element is repeated twice, but there is one particular element which is not at all repeated, so we have to find that element. So this is the question that it is given to us, and the condition that is given to us is we have to find it in linear time complexity O of n. So there can be a different approaches that we can take for this problem, but since we have to go it in O of n, we are going to use a little bit of maths in order to find the element which is not duplicated. So suppose there is this particular array that is given to you 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now if we remove the duplicates, then we will get 1 comma 2, and if we take twice of all the element that is present in this array, then we will get 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Now similarly, if now since it is given to us that in the original array all the elements are repeated except one, so what we are doing, we are just making this non-duplicated equal to the original, and then we will subtract from the sum of the original. The sum of the original is 5, 2 plus 2 plus 1 5, and now if we subtract it from the 6, the element which is not repeated, we will get 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Similarly, if we will see in this case 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, now if we remove the duplicate elements, we will get 1 comma 2 comma 3, and now if we take the twice of these elements, then we will get 2 plus 4 plus 6, so that is we will get it as 12. Now if we sum these elements, 4 3 7 and plus 2, that is equal to 9, and if we subtract 12 minus 9, we will get 3. This is a basic maths that if we are just going to double the non-duplicate elements, we will get the twice of all the elements which is present in the original. So this way we can find out the element which is not duplicated. Now the approach that we can take is make a set, because set is something which we use whenever we need to find out if any element is duplicated or not, because set does not stores the duplicate element. Find the sum and return twice of the sum of set minus sum of original array. So this is the approach that we are going to take. So let's start the code. So let's begin by declaring a hash set of integers. Hash set integers. Okay, so now we have got the hash set, and two integers, sum of set equal to 0, nums that is equal to 0. Now we have two variables, sum of nums and sum of set. So now let's iterate over each element, and I equal to 0. So now we will see if that given element is present in the hash set or not. If not, we will add in the hash set. So if set dot contains nums of I, then if it is if the hash set is not present, then we will add the element in the hash set, and then we will take sum of set is equal to sum of set plus nums of I. So we will add that element in the sum of set. Now in case it is not there, then there is no need to do anything. Sum of nums is equal to sum of nums plus nums of I. If the element is already present, then we will just take the sum of that element in order to get the sum of the array. Now we have to return 2 star sum of set minus sum of nums. So this will give us the element which is not repeated. Okay, so let's try to submit. Let's see if any errors. Okay, I need to remove this. Set. Okay, the solution is submitted. So basically the time complexity is in this is O of n plus n, because we are doing twice the sum, and then we can just submit the solution, which is almost equal to, okay, sorry, so let's wait. Probably this will get submitted, and we should be good this way.